Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to channel from Anak Manajemen. I'm Wilda Septianti Putri. Here I will discuss about perception, attitude, personality. Let's see the video.
Apa itu attitude? What is the attitude? Attitude is the totality of tendencies and feelings, suspicions or biases, assumptions, ideas, first challenges and beliefs of humans about particular topic, individual or event. It reflects how someone feel about something. The main component of attitude are as follows. 1. Cognitive. 2. Affective. 3. Conative. Attitude consistency. Festinger, he thought has seized that the desire to reduce nonconformities would be determined by the importance of the elements that created the nonconformity, the degree of influence an individual has on those elements, and the rewards that might be involved in the nonconformity. The influence of behavior on attitudes. It has been asserted that attitude influences behavior. Previous research on attitude assumed that attitude have a causal relationship with behavior, that is, the attitudes that individuals have determine what they do. Mind work attitude. 1. Job satisfaction. 2. Job involvement. 3. Giving physiological authority. 4. Organization commitment. 5. Perception organizational support. 6. Evaluate engagement. Personality. Definition of personality according to Oxford is dynamic organization in the physical system on individuals that determine the characteristic of behavior and thoughts. In personality theories, personality consists of, among others, traits and types. Traits are described as theoretical construct that describe the basic units dimension of personality. A trait is disposition to behave in the certain one as reflected a person behavior in various situation. Trait theory is a personality theory based on several assumptions, namely, a trait is consistent factor of thoughts, feeling, or action that distinguishes one person from another so that the trait is relatively stable over time. Personality is the overall way in which an individual reacts and interacts with other individuals. Personality determinants. 1. Hereditary factor. Heredity refers to the genetic factor an individual. 2. Environmental factor. Another factor that has a considerable influence on the formation of an character is the environment in which we grow and grow norms in family, friends, and social group. Personality traits. Characteristics that are generally inherent in individual are aggressive, obedient, lazy, obedient, loyal, and afraid. These characteristics When displayed in various situations are called personality traits. There are three main ways to assess personality, namely 1. Self-survey, 2. Enhancement survey, 3. Projection size. Key personality traits that influence organizational behavior. 1. Self-evaluation. 2. Self-esteem. 3. Locus of control. 4. Machiavellianism. 5. Narcissism. 6. Self-monitor. Perception. Perception is an internal process that we do to select, evaluate, and organize stimuli from the external environment. In other words, perception in how we convert the physical energy of our environment into meaningful experience. Perception is also at the core of communication because if our perception are not accurate, it's impossible for us to communicate effectively. It's perception that determine we cause a message and ignore other messages. The higher the degree of similarity in individual perception, the easier and more often they communicate, and as consequence, the more likely they are to form cultural group or individuality. Group perception include sensing or sensation, through our senses, or the sensor of taste, the sensor of touch, the sensor of smell, the sensor of taste, and the sensor of hearing. Attention is the conscious processing of a small amount or of information for a large amount of available information. Interpretation is the process of communication through speech or movement between two or more speakers who cannot use the same symbols. After simultaneity, known as simultaneous interpretation, or sequentially known as sequential interpretation. Factor that influence perception actor. Factor that influence perception include 1. Factor in the understand attitude, motives, interest, experiences, expectation. 2. Factor in the situation, time, working conditions, social circumstance. 3. The factor within the target, something new, movement, sound, size, background, proximity, resemblance.
Okay, that's what I can explain about perception, attitude, personality in my opinion. Sorry if there mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you the next video. Dadah, bye bye.